Alright, now Google Pixel 7 series is fantastic. It comes with a reasonable price tag offering great cameras, good flagship grade processor, stock Android to offer a pure Android experience with on-time software upgrades, some of the amazing software features one can get on Android such as Magic Eraser, clear calling, photo unblur feature, inbuilt VPN at no extra cost in the future for the 7 series, RCS messages, etc. All these features are great, but is it good enough for someone to switch from a Samsung Galaxy S series phone? My answer is no. It is not a good idea to switch from a Galaxy phone to a Pixel phone, and let me tell you my reasons for this. You are going to miss that gorgeous S AMOLED screen with higher peak brightness and punchy colors. Though the Pixel offers good screen quality, it is still inferior to the Galaxy phone's S series devices. Next, though the photos come out to be great on Pixel phones, the videography is not great as compared to Galaxy phones. And yeah, the S22 series can shoot videos at 8K just in case if you need it, whereas the Pixel 7 maxes out at 4K. Moreover, you are going to miss some of the incredible applications which Samsung offers, such as Expert RAW, Camera Assistant, which can offer versatility when it comes to photography. Next, Samsung's latest S series phones processors are powerful and more power efficient than the Pixel phones. The fourth reason is Samsung's latest S series offers 4 years of major Android upgrades, whereas the Pixel 7 series offer 3 upgrades, which is not really great. Then coming to the speaker quality. Speaker quality is not up to the mark on the Pixel phones. The phone vibrates at loud volumes and it doesn't produce crystal clear sound like the S series does. Almost all the latest Galaxy S series phones from Samsung offers great audio experience. Next, the fingerprint sensor offered on Pixel is optical, whereas on the S22 series, it's ultrasonic, which is better and offers better print recognition. Then the Pixel supports charging speeds up to 30 watts, whereas S22 series supports up to 45 watts. The design is unique on both these phones, but I would prefer the S22 series design when compared to the Pixel phones. But yeah, this is subjective. The next major feature you're going to miss is that S Pen. If you're planning to switch from a Galaxy Note to a Pixel 7 or 7 Pro, then you're going to miss that S Pen. Now coming to the software, the One UI on top of Android 13 is next level OS when compared to the stock Android. There are tons of customization features on Galaxy phones which don't just include themes or the appearance of the skin, it also includes customizing the UI itself. The latest Registar module on Goodlock adds some amazing features about which I have already posted a dedicated video. You can check it out on the channel, the link is in the description of this video as well. This app enables us to customize the settings menu, provides advanced search options, can customize the functions for the side keys. There are many more Goodlock applications including One Hand Operation Plus app which can enable you to play with One UI, and you're going to miss it if you switch to a Pixel phone. Next feature which is not available on a Pixel phone is Samsung DeX, which turns the phone's UI into a desktop experience. Then the multitasking experience is next level on Samsung Galaxy S series. The Pixel can let you open the apps in split screen view, but for that you need to open the recent applications and tap on the icon to open the app in split screen view, whereas on One UI 5.0 you can just swipe from the top right corner to shrink that app into a pop-up view, or you can use 2 fingers to swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open an app in split screen view. So the multitasking is more advanced on Galaxy phones. Now moving on, the Edge panel is another useful feature which houses the applications and tools that we need, and we also have some additional applications and tools on Galaxy Store which can be added on this Edge panel, and this feature is not available on Pixel phones and definitely you're going to miss it. Next one is Samsung Notes application. This is a next level note-taking application which is offered on Galaxy phones with some great tools on offer. The Note app on the Pixel phone is mediocre. It cannot match with the Notes on the Galaxy phones. The 15th and the last reason is Pixel offers multi-user account, but if you're someone who prefer a secure folder, then you are not going to get it on your Pixel phone. That's another cool feature on on Galaxy phones you're going to miss if at all you switch to a Pixel 7 series or 6 series. These are some of the important hardware and software features which you're going to miss if at all you switch from a Galaxy S series phone to a Pixel device. Keep these things in mind before you go ahead and buy a Pixel phone. If you really cannot live without any of these features, then you should not switch to a Pixel phone, just stick to Galaxy S series device. Or for that matter, even the A series or any other Galaxy devices offer best of the software and hardware features when compared to a Pixel device. Let me know what are your thoughts. Have you been planning to switch from a Galaxy phone to a Pixel phone? Do let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to the channel. I see a lot of you guys watching the video but still not a part of this community yet. So go ahead, subscribe to the channel and smash the like button if you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. My name is Salyan signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.